Hi friends, my name is Vidyut and I have tried everything for my hair loss issue and I found Arganlife Argan Oil Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo, and you can see that I think you couldn't believe that this shampoo stopped my hair loss, and I noticed hair growth within weeks of using it. The Arganlife hair shampoo leaves my hair very soft, clean and strong. It's strong, right? So I'm so happy with my hair and amazed with Arganlife shampoo products results. And I ordered Arganlife shampoo on arganlife.net. Please note the URL, that is www.arganlife.net, and they delivered these whole things through DHL. So they usually delivered, I can remember, so within the few days of my order I received the whole products, and I'm really appreciate the products results, and thank you Arganlife, and thanks for saving my hair loss, and now I'm very happy and I'm highly recommending these products to everyone. Thank you, thanks for watching.